I'm Landon Rex. I'm an estimator at Ciocca Collision Center in Quakertown. Some of the things that make me proud to work at Ciocca are the quality of work we provide to our customers, and the people from customers to employees.
Everyone is willing to help each other succeed. They guide you and make you confident in your abilities.
Working at Ciocca, I've found that you can start at the bottom and become one of the top guys here. I went to Skills USA for the national competition. I won the competition. I had Ciocca back me up throughout the whole competition. They gave me the opportunity to be, the best I could be.
The managers are always willing to help and back you up. I went from reception to customer service, and then I ended up becoming an estimator, all through just the people around me helping me. So it's definitely a team-based environment.
I would say the work culture is awesome. There's nowhere else I would rather be.